Emma is a young girl. She lives in a small house with her cat, Sunny. Emma is kind. She is friendly. But Emma has a problem. Her days are messy. She wakes up late. She forgets to eat breakfast. She feels tired all day. She feels stressed. Emma wants to change. She wants to feel happy. She wants to feel strong. She wants a good daily routine. One sunny morning, Emma sits on her bed. She looks at Sunny. The cat is happy. The cat sleeps well. The cat eats at the same time every day. Emma thinks, Sunny has a routine. Why don't I have one? I need a plan for my day. Emma remembers her friend Lucy. Lucy is always happy. Lucy wakes up early. She works well. She smiles all the time. Emma says, I will talk to Lucy. She can help me. Emma walks to Lucy's house. The sun is bright. The birds sing. Emma feels a little happy. She knocks on Lucy's door. Lucy opens it. She smiles. Hi, Emma. Come in, she says. Emma sits on a chair. She says, Lucy, you are always happy. Your days are good. How do you do it? Lucy laughs. I have a daily routine, she says. It helps me feel good. It makes my day easy. Do you want to learn? Yes, Emma says. I want a routine. I want to feel happy like you. Lucy says, Great. A daily routine has 3 parts: morning, midday, and evening. Each part is important. I will teach you. Let's start with the morning. Emma listens. She is excited. She wants to learn. Lucy says, the morning is the start of your day. A good morning makes a good day. First, wake up at the same time every day. For example, 6 a.m. Use an alarm clock. Your body likes the same time. It helps you feel awake. Emma nods. Okay, I will try to wake up early. Lucy says, Next, drink water when you wake up. Your body needs water after sleep. It helps you feel good. You can add lemon to the water. It tastes nice. Emma says, I like water. I can do that. Lucy continues. Then move your body. You can walk. You can stretch. Moving helps you feel strong. It wakes up your muscles. Emma thinks about it. I can walk outside. I like the fresh air, she says. Lucy smiles. Good. After that, eat breakfast. Breakfast gives you energy. Eat simple food, like eggs or fruit. Don't eat too much sugar. Sugar makes you tired later. Emma says, I forget breakfast sometimes. I will try to eat every morning. Lucy says, Last, plan your day. Write a list. What do you need to do? A list helps you stay calm. You know what to do next. Emma feels happy. This sounds good. I want to try it, she says. Lucy says, Great. Now, let's talk about the midday. The middle of the day is busy. You work or study. You need energy. Take short breaks. Rest for 5 minutes every hour. It helps your brain. Emma nods. I study a lot. Sometimes I feel tired. I will take breaks. Lucy says, eat a good lunch. Lunch gives you energy. Eat vegetables, meat or rice. Don't eat junk food. It makes you sleepy. Emma says, I like rice and chicken. I can eat that for lunch. Lucy continues, drink water all day. Keep a water bottle with you. Water helps you focus. It keeps you strong. Emma says, I will bring a water bottle to school. Good. Also, stay organized. Make a list of tasks. Do important tasks first. This helps you feel calm. Emma smiles. I like lists. They help me. Lucy says, now, let's talk about the evening. The evening is for relaxing. A good evening helps you sleep well. Eat a light dinner. Don't eat too much. Heavy food makes it hard to sleep. Emma nods. I eat big dinners sometimes. I will eat less. Lucy says, do something fun in the evening. Read a book. Listen to music. Talk to friends. It helps you relax. Emma says, I like books. I can read before bed. Lucy continues, stay away from your phone before bed. The bright light makes it hard to sleep. Stop using your phone 1 hour before bed. Emma says, that's hard. I like my phone, but I will try. Lucy says, last, go to bed at the same time every night. For example, 10 p.m. A regular bedtime helps you sleep well. You wake up happy. Emma feels excited. I want to try all of this. Thank you, Lucy.
Lucy smiles. You're welcome, Emma. Start tomorrow. Try one thing at a time. You will feel better. The next day, Emma wakes up. Her alarm rings at 6 a.m. She feels sleepy. She wants to stay in bed. But she remembers Lucy's words. She gets up. She drinks a glass of water. The water is cool. She adds a slice of lemon. It tastes good. Emma smiles. Emma goes outside. She walks for 10 minutes. The air is fresh. The sun is warm. She stretches her arms. She feels strong. She feels awake. Back at home, Emma makes breakfast. She eats 2 eggs and a banana. The food is simple. It tastes good. She feels full. She has energy. Emma sits at her table. She writes a list. She writes, go to school, do homework, read a book. She looks at the list. She feels ready. This is my plan, she says.
Emma goes to school. She studies. She feels tired after 1 hour. She remembers Lucy's advice. She takes a 5-minute break. She walks around. She drinks water from her bottle. She feels fresh again. At lunch, Emma eats rice, chicken, and carrots. The food is healthy. She feels strong. She drinks more water. She smiles. Lunch is good, she says. Emma looks at her list. She does her homework first. It is important. Then she reads a book. She feels calm. She feels happy. In the evening, Emma goes home. She eats a light dinner. She has soup and bread. The food is simple. She feels good. She doesn't eat too much. After dinner, Emma reads a book. It is a fun story. She likes it. She feels relaxed. She doesn't use her phone. She puts it away. It is hard, but she does it. At 10 p.m., Emma goes to bed. She feels calm. She closes her eyes. She sleeps well. She dreams of happy things. The next morning, Emma wakes up at 6 a.m. again. She feels good. She drinks water. She walks outside. She eats breakfast. She makes a list. Her day is good. She feels strong. She feels happy. Emma does this every day. She wakes up early. She drinks water. She moves her body. She eats breakfast. She plans her day. She takes breaks. She eats a healthy lunch. She drinks water. She stays organized. She eats a light dinner. She reads a book. She goes to bed early. 1 week later, Emma meets Lucy again. Emma smiles. "Lucy, my routine is great," she says. "I feel happy. I feel strong. I have energy. My days are easy." Lucy says, "I'm happy for you, Emma. A routine helps you. Keep doing it." Emma nods. "I will. Thank you, Lucy." Emma goes home. She looks at Sunny, her cat. Sunny is happy. Emma is happy too. She has a routine now. Her days are good. She feels strong. She feels ready for every day. Emma learns something important. A daily routine is like a friend. It helps you. It makes life easy. It makes you happy. Emma wants to tell everyone. Try a routine, she says. It will change your life. Every morning, Emma wakes up at 6 a.m. She drinks water. She walks. She eats breakfast. She makes a list. Every midday, she studies. She takes breaks. She eats lunch. She drinks water. She stays organized. Every evening, she eats a light dinner. She reads. She sleeps early. Emma's life is better now. She is happy. She is strong.